Today me and Rui are going to be doing a challenge to see who makes better food for Jack. Okay, so first... Now we're going to start. So keep chopping to little bits. We're just going to cut into little bits because we're going to try to create it as thin as possible. It's kind of orange color. As long as you understand what's in. Pouring everything. Good. And you put I'm gonna put the whatever the white stuff is on it. Official yogurt. My hands are squeaky. I'll make sure to get it all because it was fancy.
Very good. Whoever made this, it's a little bit too spicy, but still very good. On to the next one. Today, I haven't had this either.
And I got these claws. I'm climbing the wall.
Next one was Jack.
It's very cheesy and also pretty spicy. A little too spicy.
What's that?
But no, I need to. It's sweet. I think it's just milk of sugar. Okay, I don't know if this is one of the desserts. I think it is.
No!
Oh, very good.
Mother! No! No!
Okay, now I'm trying to. This thing has been cutting my eye. How did this happen? Like, did you freeze it? It's not really that sweet. It's not too sweet. Well, I know how you got clear. Time for the pie. This one.
Winner. Rose is the winner.